Do you want to invest in a nice watch but don't want to spend thousands of dollars? Wandering around the internet or in the shopping mall looking for a new timepiece, but you don't want to buy the wrong model for the highest price? Today, we're diving deep into the exciting world of watches priced under $1,000. For many people that are starting to collect watches, the magical 1K mark feels like the ultimate milestone. It's a symbol of achievement, a rite of passage into the world of proper watch collecting. However, as time passes, they come to realize how misguided they were when they started. It's not always certain that a higher retail price will get you a better quality watch. The watch industry has undergone a remarkable transformation, driven by mass production, precision watchmaking tools, the convenience of online e-commerce, and the lightning-fast spread of information within the online watch community. As a result, we as consumers now have more power than ever before. We can get incredible value when searching for the best watches under $1,000. But not all brands offer the same quality and unique offerings. There are specific wristwatch brands that provide better value than the rest, and it's these brands that we want to shine a spotlight on and discuss today. Welcome to Above First Class. In this video, we'll mention our choice for the best dive watches under $1,000. Dive watches, often considered the crown jewels of horology, hold a special place in the hearts of watch collectors worldwide. These exceptional timepieces effortlessly strike a perfect equilibrium between durability, visual aesthetics, and unmatched functionality. Their enduring appeal lies in their ability to withstand the harshest underwater conditions, while exuding a timeless elegance that transcends trends. While dive watches might not cater to everyone's tastes, they stand as a cornerstone of any serious watch collection. Owning one is akin to having a piece of history and adventure strapped to your wrist, as they trace their origins to the deep-sea explorations of Jacques Cousteau and the pioneers of underwater discovery. A dive watch isn't just a timekeeping device, it's a testament to human ingenuity and a symbol of man's conquest over the depths of the ocean. Our first dive watch on the list is the Seiko Turtle. In 2016, Seiko reintroduced this iconic diver, affectionately known as the Seiko Turtle by the dive watch community. It pays homage to the original 1976 version and embodies the timeless design of a vintage reissued dive watch. The Seiko Turtle features an asymmetrical cushion-style case housing bold and legible hour indices, designed with clean symmetry that effortlessly draws your attention. Its no-nonsense, impactful design ensures lasting endurance. But it's not just about looks, it's a reliable and rugged tool watch with features like a screw-down crown and caseback, offering an impressive 200 meters of water resistance. And let's not forget that iconic Seiko loom. With prices spanning from under $400 to $700, there's a Seiko Turtle to suit a variety of tastes, with different case finishes, dial colors, and textures to choose from. Next up, we have the Mido Ocean Star Titanium. When it comes to titanium automatic dive watches in this price range, this one stands head and shoulders above the rest. The lightweight nature of titanium, combined with the slim profile of the case and an impressive 80-hour power reserve, provides a comfortable and enduring wrist experience. Being part of the Swatch Group, Mido watches in this price range are known for their excellent fit and finish and stringent quality control. The earlier generation of this watch featured a single model in an attention-grabbing orange with muted grey. However, in 2022, Mido introduced 3 more titanium models in different colors. These newer models offer polished surfaces and a wave-like dial texture. But do keep in mind that they might push the price slightly beyond our $1,000 budget. Additionally, there are Ocean Star GMT models available, though they tend to be on the pricier side. If you can, I recommend considering the earlier generation, unless, of course, orange isn't your color of choice. Moving along, we arrive at the Doxa Sub 200. Few dive watch brands have embraced their vintage reissue heritage as authentically as Doxa. With their storied history, including a partnership with Jacques Cousteau, it's no surprise that the modern Doxa Sub 200 has earned a reputation as one of the best watches for anyone interested in owning an iconic vintage reissue. This watch draws inspiration from the original reference 11804-4, released in 1963, and is available in 7 different color varieties. The 42mm stainless steel case ensures a substantial wrist presence, without feeling overly large, thanks to the vintage-inspired angle of the lugs, as they taper inwards toward the steel bracelet. Moreover, this piece features a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. So if you're on the hunt for a modern diver with contemporary sizing combined with vintage dive watch DNA, the Doxa Sub 200 should definitely be on your radar. Are you in search of a modern, vintage-style diver that's compact and stylish, measuring in at under 40mm? Well, the Baltic Aquascaphe might be the answer to your horological dreams. Hailing from France, Baltic watches made a striking entrance into the watch world in 2017, quickly establishing their unique aesthetic. The Aquascaphe is a standout in the crowded vintage-style dive watch market. With its 39mm diameter, stainless steel case, and impeccably executed beads of rice bracelet, it's a visual delight. Powered by the reliable Miyota 9039 movement, it offers precision without inflating the price unnecessarily. If you're on the lookout for a vintage-style diver that's compact and exquisitely crafted, the Baltic Aquascaphe should be at the top of your list. Next, let's delve into the Citizen ProMaster Mechanical Diver in Titanium. Citizen, a brand traditionally known for its eco-drive watches, has recently expanded its offerings into the world of mechanical divers. One of the most noteworthy releases in 2022 was the ProMaster Mechanical Diver in Titanium. This watch draws inspiration from the 1970s Citizen Challenge Diver, offering a clean, legible design that prioritizes function over fashion. Crafted from titanium, a classic Citizen trademark, and boasting a 41mm diameter, it's a robust yet comfortable diver. The black dial version comes with a rubber strap, while the blue dial variant includes a bracelet. It's the perfect choice for those seeking a timeless, no-fuss dive watch. Now let's introduce our sixth dive watch option, the Certina DS Action Diver. Certina is a Swiss watch brand known for its commitment to quality and precision, and the DS Action Diver is no exception. This timepiece boasts a robust stainless steel case with a diameter of 43mm, making it substantial on the wrist without being overly bulky. It features a unidirectional rotating bezel, luminous hands and markers for excellent visibility underwater, and a date complication for added functionality. With a water resistance rating of 300 meters, it's ready to accompany you on your underwater adventures. One notable feature of the DS Action Diver is its Powermatic 80 movement, which offers an impressive 80 hours of power reserve. This means you can take it off for the weekend and pick it up on Monday, and it'll still be ticking away. Additionally, Certina ensures the watch's durability with its double security concept, which includes features like a reinforced case and a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. With a price tag well under $1,000, the Certina DS Action Diver combines Swiss precision, durability, and style, making it a solid choice for those seeking a reliable dive watch without breaking the bank. And there you have it, a detailed exploration of some of the best dive watches under $1,000. However, keep in mind that the world of watches is vast and filled with hidden gems waiting to be discovered. Please let us know in the comments section below if there are certain watches under 1K that we really missed in our list. Thanks for watching Above First Class, and stay tuned for part 2, where we'll venture into more watch categories within this exciting price range. Thank you for joining us today, and if you enjoyed this content, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more watch-related videos. We'll catch you in the next one.